guys, welcome back to my channel. 1, 2, 3. Ah! 1, 2, 3. Ah! That's good. Yeah, that's fun. Jump. Yeah. Fun.
Tommy, what are we doing?
We're packing the box open and we're gonna get a wrong toy and yes. You don't want to get away though.
Tommy, you're first. Go ahead.
See that.
Tommy's first.
Go. I see that. That's
Go ahead. Which one? Ready?
Oh, we should get it.
Yay!
You got this.
What is it? We got one. What is this?
The Paw Patrol is from Paw Patrol.
But you hit the button and fly it.
Yeah, Tommy. I know that one's the good.
Guy that you're playing with.
It's Robo's dog. It's Robo dog.
Robo dog?
Yeah. And then this thing can also go up or down.
Cool.
Yes.
So 1 point for
Now it's
1 point for Tommy.
my turn. I thought this was the chase game. Let's play!
We are now playing Don't Drop Chase. So we have all these little ice cubes. We have 2 picks, right? They're 2 picks. And then we have this little spinner. Show me the spinner. Justin got pass a turn. I got pick any color. Any color. So I'm gonna go this white one. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, I got blue. Oh, that one threw easy. Your turn. Got blue. Okay, Mommy got white. Here we go. I'm gonna choose white. Oops, I'm gonna choose white. Oh, oh, he didn't. He just fell. He didn't turn. Pick any color. I'm gonna go right here. A few went through. Pick any color. Okay, it's Mommy's turn. Okay, I got blue. Try this one.
Go for that one.
Go for that one. Okay. Blue?
Oh, yes!
Oh. Hey, Tommy, you want to go for Mommy? Want to go for Mommy? Let's go. We'll let Tommy play. Okay, I got blue. Go ahead, Tommy. Do blue. Gotta do blue. Oh, he dropped.
Oh, no!
Oh. We dropped Chase. That means Justin's the winner. Aren't you, Tommy? The bonus! Okay, you gotta reach through and grab the toy. Gotta reach. It's heavy. Pull it out. Oh! You got the bonus of 2 points for Tommy. Sea Patrol?
It's Sea Patrol. Wait, let's show the characters right here. So we got Rocky, Rubble, Marshall, Sky, and Chase, and Zuma.
Nice.
My favorite character is Zuma.
Oh, wow.
And Rocky, and Rubble.
Very cool. And what does this do?
And it goes down. Also, we got this.
So it goes up.
Do it. And this makes a noise. This is a plane that moves and turns and moves and picks stuff up.
Cool. Let's pick something. Use the crane. See if it can pick the box up. Okay, go ahead, Justin.
It's Marshall. I'm gonna show them.
That's really cool. So it opens up.
Where's the gift stick? So you can put these in here.
Cool.
I put the Paw Patroller.
Show me, what is it?
Flying jet.
It's a flying jet? Let me see, how does it work?
No, I have.
Let's see, does it work? Cool!
I'm gonna see the airplane. This is fire fix. And then you go.
It's a jet as well as a fire truck. Ready? You gonna punch it? Go ahead, punch. Yay, let's see what we got, okay? Oh, what's in there? Open it up.
There's a note.
Let's see. I'm gonna help him open it.
Mom. Wait, I'm gonna see.
-1 for Tommy.
-1 is.
Okay, it's Justin's turn. What is that in your hand?
The van is got a ton. Push the box.
All right, find the one that you want.
Now it's Rubble.
Rubble. So we got a point for Justin.
His dumpster, and then this is his little thing that scoops the dirt up, and then this is the thing that just like logs up in dirt.
Very cool.
And then he goes in here.
We got a crash.
How do you push that? Push that. Push it.
Want to help your brother? Go ahead. Oh, what did you get? What'd you get?
Oh, he gets a
Oh no, he's got the Lego, which is no good. That means he's got another.
Oh, I see red.
He's got another.
Oh, I see.
Another point deducted from your brother Tommy. Okay, which one do you want?
This one.
Is that the one you want? Go ahead.
I got Rocky. And then this thing goes out.
That's the recycling truck, right?
Yeah.
Rocky's the recycling man.
Yeah. And then this thing goes like this and hit stuff. And then this thing can go up. And then this thing can go down. This is a little cleaning thing. That's a recycling thing.
Okay, so another point for Justin.
Put that one. Oh, it's got these. He didn't take a break to watch them later.
Oh, really nice DVDs. He's got Paw Patrol.
Oh, we got Snow and the regular one.
He's got the limited edition.
Oh, it's so pretty.
He's got Chase. Marshall, and Sky.
And then
Snow
Zuma.
rescue. That'll be fun to watch.
And then Everest, and then Zuma.
So these will be fun to watch later. We have the limited edition gift set, Marshall and Chase all in the case, and we have the Great Snow Rescue. Okay, so we have another point for Tommy. Another point for Tommy for the DVDs. And now we're
I'm gonna go for my laser.
working with Justin. It's Justin's turn.
Got the bonus.
Oh, you got the bonus. Okay, then you go far in and grab the toy. What did you get? Oh, you got the truck.
The Paw Patroller.
It's the Paw Patroller.
And then this thing has like a
Oh!
and then this thing has a little lock right here. And I'm gonna put my trucks inside that I got.
Okay.
Oh no, Marshall doesn't fit there. Wait, where's Rubble? Where's Rubble? Fire Marshall.
So this is the Paw Patroller.
Yeah. Let's go. And then we shut them up. And then we you have to put like the Paw Patrol stuff in there. Keep winning.
Is it Patrol?
Yeah.
What is that?
That's a bone.
It's a bone. Patrol. Go ahead, push it, Tommy. Go. Go ahead, push. Look at all those Hot Wheels, Tommy.
Also got this for Christmas.
Yeah, okay. That's a bonus. Tommy gets 2 points.
Chase!
Cool.
See, Chase, that's a regular Chase.
Cool.
He goes to that because we have this one. Chase!
Okay, so we got another point for Justin.
That's called Sea Cool, but that's his little vehicle that he goes in order.
And Justin's the winner.
Yay! Swimming. Thanks guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Bye. Peace out.